Yeah, today is the 10th of November 2021. We have all of the others again.
Paatsamakuja 4.
Paatsamakuja 4 CSP and Koivukylä, Björkby, and it's also close to Leinilä and Leila here in Vantaa, in the Helsinki-Helsingfors-region Uusimaa, Finland, but it's also in eastern Vantaa. The capacity is 40 buses out 325 grams. We've been to the stakes A here. We're also going to get to the stakes C, D, and D. It was built in 1985 with Kone fixtures. It turns 85 years old in the last year, 2020. Bottom driven. All of them seem to have amazing sounds.
Yeah.
We got the code to get here, so that's amazing. This number is H63172 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. This has 2 rides. This could be from summer or autumn 1985 possibly.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it wasn't finished 1986, but I'll check it later. Because these sound kind of a bit like earlier in 1985, but still not with the red occupied light without the text.
Yeah.
So this is not early 1985 either. But possibly summer, maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe late summer 1985. That information will be checked.
Yeah.
And in building 2 next to this one, there are Kone elevators, but they look like a bit later built ones, maybe. But I'll get to them later. During the winter time.
Yeah.
And a silent ride.
Expected parking arrangement maintained by Kone.
Let's go. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also have a look at this. Here's it's 1985 installation finish, fire door, just like what we put on there. And here is the switch record. And the acoustic bell.
That's